Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. If you're thinking that once you reach a particular level in your personal or your professional life, or when you've achieved a certain amount of success, you'll automatically stop doubting yourself, I want you to think again. Unfortunately, at every level of your success, you'll more than likely experience some sort of self-doubt or insecurity. But that self-doubt doesn't have to hold you back from reaching your goals. If you're ready to start managing your self-doubt, let's dive in. Have you ever found that you've been holding yourself back from something that you'd really like to experience, or a goal that you'd like to achieve solely because you don't want to deal with the discomfort that comes with putting yourself out there, which is stemming from self-doubt? So many clients tell me that they think if they're on the right path, it shouldn't be hard, or they shouldn't be feeling self-doubt. But what I've most often found with these clients is actually just the opposite. They frequently feel self-doubt in these cases. They have to learn to embrace the negative thoughts that they're having and take the steps that they need to take to reach their goals. You've probably heard me say multiple times that you need to embrace the discomfort and do it anyway to get what you want in life. This is what's going to help you move through your self-doubt and reach your goals. Self-doubt is a thought that you're thinking. You may have told yourself things like, there's no way I can accomplish this. I can't believe I got this promotion. Or, I'm not qualified. It's pretty normal that you'd be thinking like this because you've never done this thing before. It's a natural reaction to growth. You think like this because you haven't proven to yourself that you can actually do it. You haven't proven to yourself that you are capable of doing it and that you can grow past the level that you're currently at. When you set a goal and encounter your first obstacle, so many people will give up. But when you're able to overcome your self-doubt, utilize your obstacles as a stepping stone, and prove to yourself that you can do it, you'll be in a much better position to achieve your goals, which in turn will help you reduce your self-doubt. When you're willing to fail as many times as it takes to overcome your obstacles and keep trying, you'll increase your ability to grow. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.